when's the best time to exercise? You hear this asked a lot. People ask these kind of questions all the time. Is it morning? Is it evening? Is it during the afternoon? Is it cardio first? Is it weights first? My simple answer to you is the best time to exercise is the time that you do it, and the time you do it consistently. Not about doing it tomorrow, not about someday, but when you're going to actually do it consistently. So choose when you're going to do it consistently. If it works better for you in the morning, do it in the morning. If it works better for you in the evening, do it in the evening. If it works better for you in the afternoon, at lunchtime, do it at lunchtime. Now, when you're consistent, depending on what your goal is, there is more effective times or organisation comes to your routine, whether it be weights or cardio first. But if you're not consistent, none of that actually matters. So in terms of the question of when is the best time to exercise, it's the time that you do it, and that you do it consistently. Because remember, with everything, consistency is the key. Same with exercise, same with everything. If you're not doing something consistently, you won't get the results. So get focused on being consistent first and foremost, then get worried about the specifics. Because until you're consistent, they don't matter.